My name is Kevin and I will be teaching you how to make a paper bow. And first you want to start off with a blank piece of paper and then you want to fold it in half. And then you want to crease it. And try to line it up as best as you can. And then you take that and then fold it in the fourths. Then you open that back up and it should look like this, and then you fold it right on the line, kind of like you do a paper plane, and then you should make sure that you do it right, and this will open up, the bottom of it will open up, and then you fold that up towards the triangle, and then you flip it over and do the same thing. And then you flip it up, and then on that line, you take the side, and then you fold it in. And then if you can see that, right there, it folds in. And then you open that up, and then pull it straight, and then it's going to be kind of like a diamond shape. And then you take one side and flip it to the top. And then you flip it over and do the same thing. And then you open it back up and fold it again. And then you take that and then pull it. And then you fold it. And there you go. There you got a paper boat. I hope you like this. Thank you. Give it a thumbs up if you would. Please no bad comments. Thank you.